Every organization manages hundreds or even thousands of assets. Managing them manually can become difficult and error-prone. Where is it? Who is using it? Introducing Teknovara solutions. Managing assets manually can quickly become difficult. It is time-consuming and error-prone. There is too much to manage. Where is the asset? Who is using it? When was it last maintained? As businesses grow, assets move between employees, departments, and multiple branches. This can lead to lost assets, incorrect allocation, delayed maintenance, and unnecessary costs. This can lead to lost assets. Introducing Teknovara Solutions, SaaS Asset Management System. Manage your entire asset lifecycle from one centralized cloud platform. Manage multiple companies, branches, locations, and departments with complete data separation. Register every asset with complete details, documents and departments, RFID tags and barcodes. Use RFID technology to identify multiple assets quickly, without scanning each asset individually. For individual asset identification, simply scan the barcode and instantly access its complete information. Allocate assets to employees, departments, or locations with complete accountability. Transfer assets between employees, departments, and branches while maintaining the complete history. Schedule preventive maintenance and keep every asset in better working condition. Track warranty, AMC, and service schedules with timely alerts and reminders. Perform faster asset audits and service scanning multiple RFID-tagged assets in seconds. Perform faster asset audits. Instantly identify missing, unexpected, and misplaced assets. Get powerful reports and analytics for better asset utilization and smarter decisions. Reduce asset loss, lower maintenance costs, and improve operational efficiency. Take control of your assets with Teknovara Solutions. Request your demo today.